The only way she might leave is if you get too close. Vamos a ver. Esperar. Be patient. Un momento, Gio. I will send you everything, okay? All the video. If you wanna, my group, Logan and friends, if you wanna take a look through the telescope, you can come, okay? Next to me, just watch out with the other friends' telescopes. Look, she's going back to catch the eggs. She's going. Go ahead. Yes, pass by to my left side. Look here on the phone. Oh, now she's pulling. Look, she pulls the egg.
Oh yeah.
She pulls one. Man, no hay mucha luz. There we go. See? You have no idea how much I was waiting for a moment like this. Yes, because it's on his natural behavior of the snake to eat those eggs. But we never see this. So, and look at the big buffet she has. She's gonna have, you can go ahead, sir, if you would like to pass to the right, okay? Go ahead. Yeah, go ahead. No worries. We will feed in heaven too. My friend here next to us, Sebastian, he has good luck finding stuff.
Teamwork.
Yes, he has. So these are the eggs from the red eyes. The other snake we saw back there, it was different than this one.
It's a venomous one?
No venomous, no.
Okay.
No. They don't have any toxicities, no. Maybe bacteria. Yeah, if you get bit, you might have a little bacteria on your skin.
What's that?
Look.
Oh.
Yeah, she bites the eggs and pulls it. She pulls one. Look how she pulls it. What a moment. Wow. Sorry, I lost it. There we go. Now she's gonna let go.